Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on your phone. This incredible simulation game is known for its stunning graphics and realistic gameplay, typically found on powerful PCs and Xbox consoles. However, thanks to modern cloud streaming technology, you can now enjoy it on your mobile device. The main way to achieve this is through Xbox Cloud Gaming, which streams the game directly to your phone. For the best experience, ensure you have a strong internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or faster. To get started, you will need a few key things. First, an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is absolutely essential, as this service powers the cloud gaming experience. You will also need a compatible mobile device, whether it is an Android or iOS phone. For the best control and immersion, a Bluetooth-enabled Xbox wireless controller is highly recommended. Finally, make not to forget to download the Xbox Game Pass app from your device's respective app store. Once you have all your requirements, setting up is straightforward. Begin by pairing your Xbox wireless controller with your mobile device using Bluetooth. Next, open the Xbox Game Pass app and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. From there, navigate through the Game Pass library to find Microsoft Flight Simulator. Simply select the game, and it will begin streaming directly to your phone, allowing you to take to the skies in moments. It is truly that simple. For the most enjoyable flight experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always ensure your phone is fully charged or connected to power, especially for longer flights. A strong Wi-Fi connection, ideally a 5 GHz network, will significantly minimize any input lag or visual stuttering. Many players find a phone clip, which attaches your device to your controller, incredibly useful for comfort. If you notice any performance issues, try adjusting the in-game settings to optimize for streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.